Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, I can barely contain my excitement because I have some news of a sale on a brand I absolutely love. That brand is Deciem. Beneath them sits The Ordinary, NIOD, Hylamide, all those brands I love to include in my skincare routine. And they're not just launching any old Black Friday sale. You know, we've been there, we've done that. Every year it's the same. They are launching 23% off every product and every brand in their collection for the whole of November, excluding Black Friday. This is Deciem we're talking about. You knew they'd be doing something differently, and apparently the rationale behind this is, you know, Black Friday has become hyper commercialized and people just go out there and binge buy products that maybe they just don't need, and so it creates and generates a lot of waste. And so NIOD's approach is to do the whole of November, have a sale on the whole of November. This gives you the chance to buy things across the whole of November without having to like panic buy one day a year where you think if you don't get it on that day you'll miss it, and that's when you do actually end up buying things you don't need. You haven't really thought about your purchases. And so I'm going to sit down today and talk you through the products from NIOD, which is a brand I absolutely adore, which I will be purchasing throughout November to add to my skincare collection. Now I'm going to do the same thing in a different video on The Ordinary, which I will link up there if you want to check it out. The reason I've split it into two different videos is I think NIOD and The Ordinary, whilst there is some crossover, has some very different demographics and the type of people that buy into each of the brands. So I thought I'll split it into two, launching on the same day to tie in with the launch of the sale. But today we're talking all about NIOD. I love the idea that you don't have to go out and panic buy the second, though of course I have left links to all of these products below. All our links below are affiliate links. They do give us a small amount of commission for every sale made, but here on the channel we donate every penny of the commission earned through affiliate links to charity. In November and December we're teaming up with Samaritans, which is a fantastic charity that support people across the Christmas and festive season. You know, people that are less fortunate, maybe don't have a lot or are lonely and isolated. They provide the support, you know, for people that are less fortunate than ourselves. So I have left some links. If you want to shop them, click on there because you'll still get the 23% discount and be given a little coin to charity at the same time. So win-win. Now, in terms of narrowing down what I'm actually going to be purchasing from NIOD, this is a hard task because I could just buy the whole collection and move on with my life because I love every single thing, with the exception of one product, the voicemail mask. I love every single product that they've come out with. There are some NIOD products which do form a core part of my day in, day out skincare routine, and I guess those are the first ones which I'm going to be hopping over to NIOD as soon as I'm finished filming this video to buy to take advantage of the savings. The first one is this, which is the Survival Zero. This is an antioxidant powerhouse. The reason I love this as my go-to antioxidant is it's not just one antioxidant. You can go out there and you can buy a standalone antioxidant. But if you want true, fantastic, broad spectrum protection for your skin beyond what you can get just in your SPF, an antioxidant like this is fantastic. It's got protection against different rays of light, so different wavelengths, which is amazing and almost unheard of in skincare. Also protects against blue light radiation, which can come from our phones and our monitors, you know, when we're on our phones and our TV screens all the time, and so protecting from that blue light is fantastic. It also has algal extracts in here to protect against pollution, and also provides a bit of a shield to the skin to bat away all that pollutant and particulate matter before it can damage the skin. I love this product. They do versions with SPFs built in, but my preference is to go for the Survival Zero, which is the standalone antioxidant, and then add your favorite SPF beyond that. I did a video on my current favorite SPFs, which I'll link up there, so check that out if you want to know what my current go-tos are. But I buy the standalone antioxidant, and I'll probably put a couple of these on order because I find that one bottle will last about 2 months, but the shelf life is enough that if I buy a couple, I can benefit from the saving and it'll still be good when I come to use it in a few months' time. Next, I'm going to be purchasing this product, which is the Copper Amino Isolate Serum. This will come as no shock to anyone who's ever watched this channel because this is a holy grail and has been in my skincare routine for so long. This is the NIOD equivalent of the Buffet with Copper Peptides by The Ordinary, but it's like taking it into the stratosphere. This is such a potent and fantastic product, which is going to help trigger the production of collagen in the skin, which is going to lead to firmer, more taut skin and, you know, reduce the first signs of aging. I swear by this this product. The reason I'm going to put a couple on order as soon as I've done on this video is it is reasonably expensive. Here in the UK, it comes in at around the £45 to £50 price point, and so actually a 23% saving is quite a significant amount. So I will be putting a couple on. I find one bottle will last me about 2 months, so a little does go a long way, and by putting a couple on, I'll have some in stock for when I run out of this one. I adore this product, and I think if the core elements you want to tackle with your skincare routine is anti-aging and maybe the loss of that firmness and elasticity, copper peptides are where it's at, and there is no better product than this one. So I would fully recommend, if you are hoping to tackle some of that first signs of aging, this is a product you might want to think about. Now finally, for my core regime, these are the products that I use every single day. Is this is the Re pigment by NIOD. I adore this product. It is fantastic. It's the best product I have ever used, bar none, for tackling hyperpigmentation and dark spots. You just can use this either as an all-over skin brightener, or as I do, and just dab it on those areas of hyperpigmentation. I tend to get them here on my cheeks where old breakouts and blemishes haven't faded properly. Put this on and you'll see results in about 2 weeks. That is almost unheard of with a topically applied product, and I've seen, since I've started using this, about a 60% reduction in the hyperpigmentation in my skin. I cannot live without this. It's not actually that expensive compared to other NIOD products. It comes in at around the £28 price point, so it's not super expensive, but with a 23% discount, I'll be putting a couple of these on order because honestly, I have never want to be without this product. I absolutely love it. Now, those are my core must-have items in my skincare routine that I'm definitely going to be purchasing. But when I think about some other products that I might be thinking about buying and treating myself while there is a saving to be had, there's quite a few that have really piqued my interest. Number one is the flavanone mud. Now, I included this in my holiday gift guide as a perfect mask to treat somebody who loves skincare. I'll leave a link to that video up there. I love this product, but it's not something I've had in my skincare routine consistently. The reason for that is I'm a bit lazy when it comes to masks. I enjoy putting them on when I'm in the mood, but I really have to be in the mood. It's not something I use religiously, and I feel this mask works best when you do it according to a schedule, a couple of times a week, every single week. So I've decided to myself I am going to put some on order, a couple for friends that I'm going to give away over the holidays as gifts, but also a couple for me, and I am going to actually use this religiously, twice a week, till I've used the products up, so I can give a full assessment of what the results could be if you use this product every single week. I love the product and the brightness and luminosity it gives. It clarifies the skin, drawing out the toxins, and does trigger your body to create more oleic acid, which is going to give a light exfoliation and brightness. Super gentle, yet super effective. I love the product. I just haven't been as strict with it as I wish I had, and so I'm going to put one on order for myself, just to correct that and actually give it a full test, and also a couple that I can give away as gifts. I also, for the longest possible time, have felt super guilty about my love and sort of fixation with the Sanskrit saponins cleanser. The reason I felt a bit guilty was because it is a little bit up there in price when it comes to cleansers. It's £23 here in the UK, and I usually say don't spend more than like £10, $12 on a cleanser. You just don't need to invest your money in the rest of your skincare. However, I use this and I always feel absolutely fantastic after I've used it. The fragrance is fantastic, all natural, but it smells like cocoa butter and loveliness. I love how gentle it is on the skin. It doesn't leave you stripped and dried, which is fantastic, and it is just a gorgeous cleanser. So I feel like while I've got a little bit of a saving, I'm going to put a couple on order, so those days when my skin does feel a little bit dry, like maybe it needs a little bit of a pick-me-up, or I want like a little bit of a self-care boost, I can use this cleanser knowing I've got a good bargain and I've not paid too much for it. It is worth every single penny. It's a beautiful product, and it's definitely one that I'm going to keep using, and because it's got like a 12-month shelf life on it, you can buy a couple and then use it as and when you want for that little bit of treat when you want to bring a bit of bouginess into your skincare routine. The Sanskrit saponins cleanser is a great way of doing that. Now, finally, I'm coming on to a product which I have been desperate to try for the longest possible time, but I haven't actually tried it. It's probably one of the few products I haven't tried from NIOD, and the reason for that is I wasn't sure how it would work for me, and that is the bio-lipid concentrate. So the idea about this is it's going to over time reduce the lines which appear around the mouth. Fantastic if you are trying to incorporate more anti-aging into your routine. It's also got ingredients in here which are going to trigger the redness of the lips to come forward, so you're going to end up with a more red pout. This is what put me off purchasing this product first off, is I'm not someone. Men can wear makeup, no issue with that at all. You do you, whatever you want. But I'm not someone that likes to wear makeup that looks visible, and I'm not into that whole like red lip look. look on a guy. And so I wanted to try this so I could see it for the anti-aging benefits, but I didn't want it to give me that sort of, like vampish full-on red lip. That's not my brand. That's not what I'm going for. So I've hesitated buying this product. However, I think if I can save 23% on it and I can get a good price point, it's something I am going to actually try, because I'm worried I'm missing out on some fantastic anti-aging benefits which I could be sharing with you guys, and actually bringing it to the fore and maybe sharing what I feel about this product. So I'm going to put one on order to trial it. Only one, because I don't want to gift and give away a product that I've not tried myself and know is fantastic. So hopefully I'll be able to bring a review of that to you guys in the next couple of months and share what I think about a product which I've been reluctant to try, but you know what? With a good saving, let's splurge, treat ourselves, and actually try a product. Now there you are, guys. Those are my products which I am going to be purchasing as soon as I've finished uploading this video from NIOD. I love a good sale, but I think they're doing it the right way. There is nothing worse than you jumping in and feeling pressured to buying a product that maybe you want a little bit more time to think about, because you think if you don't buy it today, it's gone, you won't get that sale. And so I like the fact you've got all of November to think about this. It's also a great time to be buying gifts and things for people, so I think they've really thought about how they've timed this, and they're shutting all their websites and stores for Black Friday, a sort of like, anti-consumerism angle, which I actually really respect. For a company to close their doors and their online website on possibly the biggest shopping day of the year, I think it's courageous. It takes a lot of courage. Maybe it's foolhardy, maybe it's courageous, I don't know. But I do like the fact they're trying a different approach. NIOD will also, as part of this, be providing much more educational content on their website to kind of inform you and help you to make the right purchasing decisions. One of my biggest criticisms of Deciem over the past sort of couple of years is their products are fantastic, but they can be really hard to work out how to use. And so a little bit more educational content I don't think will go amiss. And I really like that they've heard that sort of feedback from people and they're incorporating that as part of this sale. So whether you decide to go now, splurge, get out the credit card and buy all those products you really wanted to try but you've been worried are a little bit too pricey, or whether you're going to wait out for the rest of November and maybe think a little bit more about what you are going to purchase. Either way, you do you, and I want to know in the comments below what you're thinking of or attempted by purchasing. So leave me a comment below and let me know what you might be clicking on and making a purchase for. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well. I'm sending lots of love. Take care. Bye.